Hey there, party enthusiasts and decor aficionados. Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for all things fabulous and fun. Today, we've got a balloontastic treat in store for you as we dive into the world of mesmerizing balloon decor. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding extravaganza, or just looking for some creative inspiration, you're in the right place. So, grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and let's soar into the colorful world of balloon decor. Balloon decor holds significant importance in various events and celebrations due to its ability to transform spaces, create a festive atmosphere, and contribute to the overall aesthetics of an occasion. Firstly, balloon decor is versatile and can be customized to suit any theme, color scheme, or event type, making it suitable for everything from children's birthday parties to elegant weddings and corporate gatherings. Balloon decorations are not only visually appealing but also budget-friendly, offering a cost-effective way to enhance the ambience of an event. They are easy to work with and can be adapted to both small, intimate gatherings and large-scale functions, providing decorators with endless creative possibilities. Moreover, balloon decor has a universal appeal that transcends age and cultural boundaries, making it a universally enjoyable element of decor for guests of all backgrounds. It often elicits joy, nostalgia, and a sense of wonder, which can enhance the overall experience of attendees. Furthermore, balloon decor is an eco-friendly choice when using biodegradable balloons, as they break down naturally, minimizing environmental impact. This aligns with the growing trend of sustainability in event planning. In addition to their aesthetic value, balloons can serve practical purposes such as wayfinding, denoting special areas, or even acting as a backdrop for memorable photos. Balloon releases or drops can create memorable moments and dramatic highlights during an event. Balloon decorations can add a fun and festive atmosphere to various events and occasions, from birthday parties to weddings and corporate gatherings. Here are some creative balloon decor ideas to inspire you. Balloon garlands. Create eye-catching balloon garlands using a combination of different balloon sizes, colors, and shapes. These can be hung on walls, draped across tables, or used as a backdrop for photos. Balloon arches. Balloon arches can be used to frame entrances, walkways, or stages. You can go for classic rainbow arches or customize the colors to match your event's theme. Balloon centerpieces. Incorporate balloons into your table centerpieces by using helium-filled balloons in various arrangements. You can include balloons with confetti, foil balloons, or mini balloon bouquets. Balloon ceiling decor. Create a stunning ceiling display by filling it with helium balloons, allowing them to float above the guests. Add ribbons or tulle for extra flair. Balloon chandeliers. Hang balloon chandeliers from the ceiling. These are made by attaching balloons to a frame or hoop, creating an elegant and whimsical effect. Balloon wall art. Construct balloon wall art or murals by arranging balloons in specific patterns, shapes, or even words or phrases. This can be a focal point for your event. Balloon bouquets. Use balloon bouquets as table decor or to accentuate different areas of your event space. These can be tailored to match your color scheme. Balloon confetti. Fill clear balloons with confetti for a fun and colorful twist. These can be used as standalone decorations or incorporated into larger designs. Balloon backdrops. Create photo-worthy balloon backdrops for photo booths or as a backdrop for the main stage. Personalize it with the event's theme or branding. Themed balloon sculptures. Craft balloon sculptures that match your event theme. For example, animals, characters, or objects related to the occasion. Balloon table runners. Instead of traditional table runners, use a row of helium-filled balloons running down the center of each table for a unique look. Giant balloons. Incorporate oversized balloons, often referred to as jumbo or giant balloons, for a dramatic effect. You can fill them with confetti or smaller balloons. Balloon bouquet release. Consider a balloon bouquet release as a grand finale to your event. Ensure these balloons are biodegradable for environmental responsibility. Balloon pathways. Line pathways or walkways with balloons to guide guests or create a magical entrance. LED balloons. Use LED balloons to add a glowing effect to your decor. These can be particularly striking in dimly lit venues. Remember to coordinate the colors and styles of your balloons to match your event's theme and color scheme. Additionally, consider the size of your venue and budget when planning your balloon decorations. Balloon decor can be both beautiful and cost-effective when done creatively. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.